Hey everyone, this is John Barton, JB Cases. So let's do our weekly showcase for the last week before Christmas. This is December 21st. So let's see what we're going to be sending out today, and hopefully some of these cases will be making it before Christmas. Can't promise that, but they are here and they are going out. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So this is a 1x2 in navy blue and white. Let me turn on this other light here. I want to see if we can get some more light on this. I did all these videos without this extra light, and now I feel like I need it. And I can't plug this in with one hand. What are you yelling about?
She dropped ice.
Hey, plug this in.
What is this?
It's a plug. Plug it into the plug.
Loki's water turned to ice and it was only like one layer and it was thin. She was going to show you, but then she dropped it. That's why she's yelling.
Oh, does Loki actually have water?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so this is a 1x2. 1x2 with
Jesse, we're not leaving.
blue interior. It'll be just a few minutes, girls. You guys can help pack.
Okay.
Okay. All right, the next one I have here is a, let's bring that over there and see if we can get a little bit more light on it. This is an orange, blue and orange, navy blue and orange with white stitching right there. And this has orange stitching and a taller lid. Let's see what the taller lid has. Do we have a magnetic pocket or do we have a ball holder pocket? We have a ball holder in the lid in this orange 2x5, 3x4 interior. There you go, very cool. And this says, what does that say on there? Craig Yippo? Craig Yippo, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Okay, next one I have here is a green, black with green stitching.
Oh.
Very pretty. Backpack, 3x6 with a black interior. There you go. All right, this one's done. There you go. All right, the next one I have here is an all black 2x5, 3x4. Right here with a double pocket. You'll notice that we have a double height pocket on here. So this pocket is, both of these pockets here are fully openable. Openable, is that even a word? There you go. With a pocket tray in the bottom of that one. And this one has, this one is fully open like that with a side holder for the jump cue handle. Oh, I can't talk right now. Oh, that's pretty cool. And it says at Humble Pool Shark. That's pretty cool. All right. With gray zipper pulls and gray stitching. There you go. And also a taller lid. Backpack straps. Let's see what's in the lid. We have made by JB Cases for Jester. There you go. And it's a ball holder in the lid. So very cool. Okay.
Why is that so?
You got that? All right. Next one I have here is a 3x6 purple with white piping and white zipper pulls. This is a light purple and a dark purple. Says Melissa on here. Very cool. And you got kind of light purple zipper pulls here, so it's got a combination of colored zipper pulls with a black interior. And there you are. Thank you very much, Melissa. Okay, that one's done. All right, the next one I have here is a 3x6, black or gray and black with gray zipper pulls. Here you go, with backpack straps and gray stitching. This one also has a taller lid, and the lid has a ball holder in it. So 3 butt 6 shafts with a ball holder in the lid. There you go. Alright, so this one's done. Now this one here I have a 3 by 6 blue, black, and teal. It says Sergio on here. Very cool. With teal, with blue or teal stitching, and an extra D-ring in the center right there, so in case he wants to use one strap right down the middle. And this one has a blue interior.
Yummy.
There you go. Yummy. Thank you for all the help.
No
Yeah,
problem.
So, the next one I have here is what?
How do you guys do this?
So I have a black and blue. This is black and kind of a baby blue for Mr. Kenny. Very pretty. 4 by 8 with blue stitching, light blue zipper pulls, and a blue interior. There you go. Very nice. Honey, you want to look at that real quick and see if you can do something with it? Okay, there you go. All right. Yeah, so I think that's it. Right now, let's see what else we have. I don't need to show the travel bags, right? So we're good? Okay. All right, folks. Well, that's it. So Merry Christmas to everyone, and just remember,
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thank you. Merry Christmas to all those who Merry Christmas means something. Happy holidays otherwise. And thank you all very much. And you have a good, hopefully you have a nice Christmas and a happy holiday. Jesus, really? Okay. So it's funny, you think, I think I'm fairly like progressive and everything, but my daughter's always correcting me. She's like, you can't say like he for Jesus. You have to say they or them, because Jesus is like allegedly Father, Son, Holy Ghost. So it's a whole they thing. So it's always got to be they.
Jesus.
Like they died on the cross, or Anyway, whatever. So I'm just playing with you guys. Anyway, have a happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So you guys take care, and remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, then JB Cases, we'll be happy to build it for you. Just go to our website, use our designer. You design it, we'll build it. Thank you. Bye-bye.